Yo, what's up everybody? I'm in Uluwatu today and I'm gonna talk, is the Uluwatu right place for you for living? If you are thinking about moving and you are thinking about Uluwatu, this vlog is for you. Stay tuned. Alright, just arrived to Uluwatu, to the center of Uluwatu, and this area is famous for the few villas and also few houses like in the background. That's how it looks. The environment, like climate over here is quite dry, road is quite empty. One bike, by the way, this is my car, it's quite good car for this parking in the off-road. Anyway, I come here to show you because these villas over here, like here this one, and in the area eventually there are some villas like this. They are kind of luxury villas, very big one and very nice villas. Also I will fly drone, so I will try to show you from the villas. The huge abandoned villa, as you see, is well, no access here, but I would like to just show you a little bit from the fence how does it look. And also just next to this villa here is some house, and from the opposite way is another house, villa. I think somebody living there. Well, obviously I'm not gonna go inside to show you, but that's how it looks there. Residential area. So basically, if you're gonna decide to live here, this is very peaceful area of Uluwatu, quite far from the hustle and bustle what you could have in Canggu and Umalas or even in Sanur. But also you cannot have anything in the walking distance from here, so you have to have a car or bike. I would prefer car in this area to move to the different places, but these villas, these houses are located something between 5 up to 15 minutes from the other 5-star hotels and beach clubs. So if you are interested to having a fine dining in the beach clubs or chilling in the beach clubs or even restaurants in the hotel, just something between 5 and 15 minutes you can have it. Just next to this area where I am now is the famous Omnia, ex-Omnia, now is Savaya Beach Club, actually Cliff Day Club, something like that they call it. Also Alila 5-star premium hotel, not so far away from here is Bulgari Resort, also very premium 5-star resort. Six Sands, Karma Group, which is the beach club and the resort. I think I will go there to show you very nice beautiful Melasti beach, which is my favorite beach. I think I will also show you later on, and many other things. If you're gonna travel a little bit more, it's the single fin where I was also many times, the Age, also beautiful resort, and the swimming pool and club where facing the 180 meters down cliff, and El Cabron, Spanish Mediterranean club also, but it's a little bit more, maybe 25 minutes. Also I will put the links to the videos what I already been in many of these places, so you can watch the videos. Meanwhile, I will move to the beach. So if you're gonna decide to live in that area of Uluwatu, you will think how far is the next shop. So here we go, it's Pepito Market, which is one of the best markets in Bali, just literally 5 minutes from this place where I was. And also this is how it looks, the area over there. There are some local restaurants, warums, other businesses. Generally it looks like a city. Yeah, that's how it looks like, just 5 minutes. Also at that direction on the shop, I don't know if you can see over there, is GWK Park, so it's actually really not so far. That's how it looks, the shop. I will show you inside if they're gonna allow me to record inside. Well, eventually I'm in the shop, so it's the dairy here, drinks, everything actually you can find in the shops like this, like some sort of normal deli, fruit, veg, little bit of bakery, accessories, everything. By the way, just got my Bintang Radler Zero, non-alcoholic. I'm not drinking alcohol. Check this out, it's so beautiful over here. This is my favorite beach in Uluwatu, and maybe in full Bali, one of my favorite beaches. Just arrived to the Melasti beach, and I'm gonna show you now the one place where you can chill and you can have a lunch, dinner, whatever, drinks. This is this beach club. I will go inside. Meanwhile, it's about 10-15 minutes to come here, maybe even 10 minutes, depends on which road you're gonna take and depends on the traffic conditions. Now it's not really traffic, so maybe maybe just 10 minutes. I will show you inside now. There is the entrance to the beach club. This is the parking area. As you see, it's quite busy, and there are also some warungs, local warungs, when you can have a coconut drink or some lunch like nasi goreng or something. Everything is inside. But now I will gonna show you the beach club. This is the entrance to the beach club, by the way. Yo, what's up? Always happy people, as you see. Okay, let's go inside. That's how it looks, the entrance to the beach. It's low tide, and this is the entrance to the beach club. We will see what is inside. Alright, the plans has changed a little bit. I'm on the beach right now. I'm gonna show you how it looks, the situation. Unfortunately, the club is full house and the waiting list for about half hour. So unfortunately, I don't have that time today to show you. However, I've been there already 2 times on this vlog. I will put the link in the description. Instead, I'm gonna go to the Kandara beach club. I'm gonna have a drink there or something. And anyway, I'm gonna show you from around how it looks. This beach is really cool. And also, I'm gonna walk next to the Palmilla club. Basically, if it's a low tide, so many people, local people coming here also. Actually, mostly local people in during conditions. And chilling on the beach. It's family friendly, kids friendly beach. Also at the front is the bar. As you see, actually it's really full house. I will zoom it a little bit for you. As you see, unfortunately, nothing I can do. I'm so sorry, not on this occasion, but like I said, I've been already here many times, so I will link all the videos what I've been in this area. I will put in the link in the descriptions to these videos or in the comments, so you can enjoy. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the beach situation. And just behind these rocks is the entrance to the Kandara. I'm gonna hit now there. Meanwhile, while I'm walking, it's so hot, and this is actually very important information for you. If you are gonna thinking to move to Uluwatu, this is one of the most hot areas in Bali, and more than 300 sunny days. Little bit like a Mediterranean climate here, little bit like a Côte d'Azur, where you are in Nice, in the south of France, or Monaco. It's something similar, not as green as in Canggu or Seminyak, or well, in Seminyak it's not so green because it's not many rice fields left, but something like Canggu or Umalas will be more green. Here will be more dry. As you saw on the road, it's actually quite very dry, but instead you have the most beautiful beaches around Bali in Uluwatu, just somewhere. Actually, right now, when it's not so busy, you can travel almost everywhere in Uluwatu, something in between 10, 15, 20 minutes by car, which is really not so bad. You can enjoy the beach and everything like this. And now I'm heading into Kandara, which is somewhere there. It's also sunset time. Really pretty cool place. You have to agree with me. Here is some small local warung for drink, but also over there were some buildings. There is the new place, new hotel, still closed at the moment, and also behind that is the famous Sunday Beach Club and Ungasan Resort. Unfortunately, currently closed, so I cannot even show you, but I flew drone over there. Also, this beach is getting more famous for the expat community, as you see, not only for local people, but also local people chilling. It's really beautiful beach. It's so hot in Bali, actually, really hot. I'm already tired. I'm walking to the beach, to the Kandara, because I just parked the car and wanted to show you Melasti beach. Oh, helicopter is flying somewhere there. But you can go from the top of the cliff to the Karma and just go by the lift down, so it's better option than that walk on the beach. But if it's low tide right now, why not to have a walk? Losing already my breath, so hot and so tiring. Just arrived to the Kandara. As you see, they have a lift, so you don't need to walk. And that's how it looks, the beach club. And also here was something new. And usually in the winter time, like December, November, January, sunset is exactly in this spot. Unfortunately, right now, sunset is somewhere there, so you cannot watch the sunset from this area. Okay, see you inside. That's how it looks inside the beach club, overlooking the ocean. I'm on the bridge. This is something new actually when I was last time. I will also link the video to the last time when I'm going from the app. Meanwhile, that's how it looks from the inside. Pretty nice actually, pretty nice beach and chill area, if I can say like that. Very nice, really pretty cool vibes. And I will show you inside how does it look like. The bar and the restaurant, which is also pretty decent, is actually quite busy also at the same time. which is really not so bad. Pretty cool vibes. It's already after sunset, so a little bit is different experience of watching it, but still. Yo, what's up? And that's how it looks like. So that's how it looks. As you see, I'm so sweaty, so hot in Bali, really, I'm not joking. So I got my beautiful coconut here to cool myself, and also I'm gonna show you a little bit the menu if you're interested. How does it looks? That's the food one and also the drinks one. So I think cheers, guys. Ice cold coconut, so good. They also have straws made by, I don't know, you can eat this straw. I read the paper. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation over here. Alright, I'm just after my coconut and I feel much better. I paid for the coconut 91,000 rupiah, which is about $6. It's not the cheapest place for the coconut and for any other drinks in this place, but this is officially and not officially. This is kind of premium place, so you have to expect prices like this. And about the properties, these villas what I was showing you at the beginning, I'm not sure how much is it, but they are few $1,000s per month. Usually they are not the cheapest places, but also you can find actually quite cheap properties in Uluwatu. You can find the house, normal house without the pool, or sometimes with the pool, sometimes without, for about 120 million per year, which is much more affordable for someone. But if you are looking for very premium luxury villas, definitely Uluwatu is place for you. Also, if you are looking for surfing, there is the spot called Single Fin. I made many vlogs over there, also put the link below. I'm gonna be probably there in the next week or something, and you can have a very local surfing life. Also accommodation there will be much cheaper, but in general Uluwatu is more quiet place with the premium places like this one and the beautiful beaches. Also on this beach you can do any kind of paddle and kayaking, which is water sports. I don't know, some kids shouting over here, so I'm so sorry about that. The tide is going to be higher. It depends, of course, every week is different. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, 360-degree point of view. Check this out. Here is some people. It's like a secret path going up, but I wish good luck to climb this cliff. Meanwhile, after sunset, that's how it's look like. So peaceful and so magnificent. I really like the color of the sky right now. So amazing, guys. By the way, I just walk and check this out, this beautiful shell. I just found literally here. I just go to the ocean to wash it, but still inside is something, so I just keep it here. I'm not gonna take it home. Bye bye. By the way, after sunset is so peaceful. Only here one couple and one guy fishing at the front. That's why I really like beaches in Uluwatu. It's just so peaceful over here. Check this sunset and this boy. Yo, what's up, my friend? Take care, yeah? Here is also some beautiful photo session, video session. Beautiful. Also, I show you only one potentially residential area, whereas the few villas, but in general, all around Uluwatu looks very similar. I have to run because of the wave, so everywhere will be pretty the same. Let me know, comment below if Uluwatu is for you, or maybe you prefer more likely Sanur vibes, or maybe Canggu, Umalas vibes, which is more green, or you are already super excited about these beautiful beaches. Comment below. I'm really curious about to read all your comments and answers. And like always, see you tomorrow, 4 p.m. See ya, take care. Just to the gate in the statue, I think over here will be the new beach club also, so finish in the next few months, just if somebody are interested.